So recently I started another project, and I actually wasn't gonna film it because, I don't know, it didn't seem very entertaining to me. What it is I'll try and show a picture up here, up on the screen. But what it is like a little hanging shelf thing for a bathroom. I already got started on it, so let me show you guys where I'm at and we'll go from there.
Hi, Odin. Yeah, come on in. Hi. Hi, how are you?
What are we gonna do? Are we gonna build today? Huh? Are we gonna build something today? Yes, we are. Yes. Okay, so just to catch you guys up to speed, I have this glue up here. Well, I've got two glue ups here, and these are gonna be the two side pieces for the shelf. So I cut these first so that way I can dimension everything to these. And then I also have to dimension everything to the pipe that is gonna go underneath the shelf. Okay. I definitely thought that I cut these a little bit longer than this. My goal was to have a little bit more on each side. I think I only have about like an eighth, maybe a quarter of an inch here. And I definitely wanted more than that. Because the plan is to dado these in to the side rails and just pin it in with brads. That way it looks a little bit cleaner. But if I do dados, they're gonna have to be really thin dados. This is shorter than I thought. I thought I measured right. Apparently I didn't. You know what, I'm gonna dado them in still, just tiny thin little dados. If it doesn't feel strong enough, I can add screws or something later. So as I was mocking this up, kind of trying to figure out where I wanted to place my shelves, I was looking at the photo and realized that I need like a slight bevel on these, or angle cut, or whatever you want to call it. Okay. I think think this thing looks pretty sweet. All the dados are really nice and snug, which will be really great. Whoops, in the glue up. And if it glues up well, I don't think I'm gonna have to add screws. So hopefully it glues up well. Also, I was worried about the dados not allowing the pipe to fit, but the pipe definitely fits in here, which is awesome. Before we continue, we need to sand everything and stain it and drill holes in it for some rope. But yeah, it's looking good. All right, everything is done and sanded up to 220 grit. I was going to stain it all first, but I think I'm gonna glue it up first. I'm just taping off right on the edge of the dados, so that way none of the glue will come onto the wood, and all I have to do is peel the tape away, and I shouldn't have to worry too much about the cleanup after the matter. Oh man, I forgot tape right here. Right here. Dang it. Oh well. Too late now. Make sure everything's flat on the back. All right, that was super easy. The glue up went super well, and now all we can do is wait. All right, this thing is looking pretty sweet. It feels nice and sturdy, actually. Just had to chisel away a little bit of the extra glue that got stuck in the crevices. And now we're ready for stain. So I can't tell you what color this stain is because this is from a cabinet shop that made it custom. I got it from a client who I recently did another build for, and this matches their cabinets in their kitchen. I built them an island. And I asked them if they wanted the same color. They said yes, so. Woo-wee! I love it when a good finish comes out. Man, this thing feels amazing, looks amazing. Let's keep going. Man, I am actually really digging this. I didn't think I would like it. I think it's gonna look great. But to really see it, let's go hang it up. Oh, what did I tell you? This thing looks sweet now that it's hung up. I really, really like the way it came out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be good, be safe, and be happy. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.